Kurumirira guikio ngono kwa ekuirwo aria marakuruhanio na mahitia matiganite hamwe na guku muthia-ini wa kiumia. Kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini LSK kuhitukira murugamiriri wakio Allen Gichuhi nigiukiriire ikinya riri gikiuga niriragarara ihoto cia ekuirwo hari gicunje kia 49 na 50 gia gatiba.
The very act of having an accused person confined for 2-3 days in custody without being arraigned to court is in itself unconstitutional. And we once again reiterate the stand of the LSK that the rights of an accused person should be respected and accorded human dignity.
Kurigana na Gichuhi, ekuirwo aya nimarakorwo magiikara cero ihinda iraya mugaru na uria watho ugite mundu wothe anginyitwo agirirwo ni gukinyio igoti-ini mbere ya mathaa 24 mathire indi utiguo kurarumirirwo. Mwikuirwo agikio ngono agirirwo ni gukinyio igoti-ini kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 thutha wa kunyitwo na angikorwo ihinda riri ni ria thiraja wa mathaa ma uruti wira wa igoti mwikuirwo agirire gukinyio muthenya uria urumirire.
We'll call for meeting with the concerned authorities to reiterate the resolve of the LSK to ensure that the rights of the citizens are respected and protected.
Hari mamwe ma maria morotete ni ekuirwo agukumio ya ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi NYS, kabuni ya Kenya Power, kabuni ya Kenya Pipeline, kamite ya migunda NLC na kabuni ya Kenya Railways. Makiuga ekuirwo aya ni amwe ari ihoto ciao ikirukitwo thegia ya thitango iria imagomeire.
I also want to reiterate one important fact, that we as the Law Society of Kenya join hands with the government in the fight against corruption, which has been a cancer for decades. But at the same time, we also implore the government to ensure that the rights of arrested persons are respected.
Kurigana na wakiri uria twaranirie na njira ya thimu, mathaa 24 maria mataragwo ni kuma mwikuirwo ikio ngono ni mathaa maria mari thiini wa thiku cia kuruta wira iria ni Jumatatu nginyagia Gatano, na uu ni kuga mathaa maria mari thiini wa thiku igire iria ni Jumamothi na kiumia matitaragwo kuona ni mithenya ya kuhuruka.
When someone is arrested on a Friday, Saturday being a weekend, it comes down to him being produced in court on the first working day of the week, which is on a Monday.
Ona kuhana uguo, kiama giki ni kiugite ni gikugia na giikaro na ruhonge rwa kurwana ungumania gutigirira ihoto cia mwikuirwo ni ciarumirirwo kuringana na mawatho ma gatiba.